Well, Mr. Boston, I've already had one attorney to take a look at my child's records because they've had an injury after birth. And I've had one lawyer take a look at it. Is that it? I mean, is there anything else that I can do? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland. And I would like to talk with you today quickly about that question. And the question is, you have had a child who had an injury at birth, and you've had one lawyer to take a look at the medical records and to take a look at the facts, and that lawyer has said or has come to the conclusion that you may not have a case. Is there anything that you can do going forward? See, this question was posed to me just this week by an individual who had stumbled across some of my educational information online, and she had some questions. She had an attorney that already had taken a look at everything, and she was wondering, is it okay for her to contact another attorney and have another lawyer to essentially give her a second opinion as to her case? And the short answer is yes, there's nothing wrong with that. You can go ahead and have another lawyer to take a look at things. Because how these cases work is that to be successful in Maryland, you must have a medical expert to look at everything and to come to a conclusion as to the standard of care and whether the treating doctor fell below that standard of care, causing your injury, or if it's a childbirth injury situation, your child's injury. And lawyers do this by reviewing everything and speaking with their medical experts as to what they think about the case. Just because one attorney has looked at things and has said that, you know what, they may not see a possible case, that does not necessarily mean that another attorney and their experts, it doesn't mean that they're going to come to the same conclusion. So if you're watching this video and you have questions and you may have reached out to another attorney and that attorney has told you that they don't think that you can be successful with your case, it doesn't hurt to get a second opinion. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because more than likely you have had an attorney to take a look at your child's records, and that attorney may have told you that they don't think that you have a good case, or they don't think that it's a case that they can win for you. And now you're wondering, is it okay for you to talk with someone else about your situation or to get a second opinion? Well, if you have these questions, this is what I invite you to do. And remember, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832. Or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland childbirth, injury, and medical malpractice questions like yours all the time, and I'll be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.